of people have everything to say bad about Cartel. Cartel did the best thing by coming out of prison. Cartel did the best thing by can be able to go up and tour and sell out them places where he must sell out. Because it raised every bar, every artist now is able to put more money, either 10,000 or 20,000 or 5 more thousand upon what they normally charge. Because of Vybz Kartel. When me dey in a Ratatam Splash and I look at how much thousands of people me see Spice, when them say she a self-proclaimed queen and she a this and she a that. Before I celebrate it and say, boy, it's a big move and love it. She want a phone artist or on a phone favorite. First thing, wanna do, she wanna like Spice. Wanna try downplay it.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, to me, people, Dancehall Queen Spice is finally getting her due justice in other business, you know what I mean? Because, you know, she's always selling out fear shows, them 20,000, 30,000 people, you know what I mean? But no, we're really seeing her being booked for these big stage shows, you know what I mean? And, you know, when Shenseea, you know, they have people in the pocket, it wasn't really like that, you know what I mean? I know we really see a black queen, a woman, you know, really, you know, dealing with the stage like, oh, them said a man, them are run the place. You know what I mean? Because Spice is definitely, you know, one of the best female performers out there. You know what I mean? And she's definitely being downplayed out here on the airwaves. Because if you never know, Ramesh runs a lot of these mix-up, gossip, whatever you want to call dancehall magazine websites, you know what I mean? And I'm always going to put Shenseea in the forefront. Because I always I see some things about Shenseea, the first one to do this and do that. But we know that it's full of crap. You know what I mean? And it's all smoke screens. It's a mass. So it's definitely a good look that Vybz Kartel come out of prison and really set the tone. You know what I mean? The culture is back. Talent is back. And everything else gets set to the back. You know what I mean? And I really don't know why. Well, I do know why these people is in their feelings. Because money don't make you happy. Money don't make you happy. You see me? That's why they want the crown. So let's like the video and share from now and let's hear what Richie Feelings is saying.
All if you don't like him, that is the truth. If you notice from the year start, everybody is talking about Vybz Kartel. No pussy hole could a deal. Cartel knows this. And you knows it too. Every mama bumbo pussy rascal did a talk about Afrobeat. Every mama blood clot. Everybody did a say, yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody that blood clot said that, baby, calm down, calm down, calm down. You know everybody has said now, I will get that new clock, said daddy. Fever, for you punani. Everybody and them woman now say me no cater for Richie Feeling. See them a figure seat me and a figure fight, and that every blood clot body has say now. Cause every blood clot body did I say, la la la, la 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 la, and then the blessing follow my hand. And I wanna mean all my alcohol. Everybody that blood clot on Afrobeat. Everybody and them mama. Everybody and them mama. I wanna go on like a blood clot lie. I wanna go on like a lie, but just because enough of these people now have no access to Cartel. Them now make a dollar for Cartel. Cartel is a problem. You know Burna Boy? You can't even get a picture from blood clot Burna Boy. You know Remy Ma? Or Rima or way one blood clot name. You know none of them? None of you can gun your Davido. And I talk about you love them and your favorite artists. You pay how much money for got them blood clot show. Remember when you complain about Rascal Cartel ticket and when you not buy Burna Boy ticket at Jamaica and you never ball. Because you know I'm going to suck Burna Boy would. But just because of Cartel, and when you not like Cartel, when you don't like a free ticket and when you never get no free ticket. Because some of you One not like the artist, you know. They just want to go there for blood clot criticize. I want to know what you. I know what you. I know it's blood clot you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uno come and talk about blood clot cartel can perform on bands like uno care about bands. When since uno care about bands? But to everybody have a voice now and can talk on a phone like this. They feel like them point is valid. Once you mention something about cartel, somebody ever repost it. Because cartel is a clickbait. Cartel is a clickbait. But cartel is a blood clot money machine too. If you talk that part there. If you talk that part there. Every artist of Jamaica raise them price just because of Vybz Kartel. Uno not talk that part there. And the artists them nah go come out and come talk say them revenue gone up. Because Cartel put back dancehall on the map. Cartel put it on the map. And we the people don't like hear the truth, but the truth shall always be the blood clot truth. Now you can demand back your money and say, go and go book Cartel then, because Cartel want 1 million. Me used to charge 30, now I want 45. So you better negotiate and say you want blood clot, me take 40, you dirty blood clot, yo. Because now you gone back down in your place and start collect, because you used to charge 20. And Cartel come out and make you charge 45 and 50 and 60. And all I wanna go get it. And all I wanna go get it. But the truth shall always be the blood clot truth. Uno coulda deal at the truth. That's why I say, selector, Cartel a charge 1 million. And no found can't even charge 1,000 blood clot dollar. No found Louis Vuitton have sneakers for $1,500. And now no girl buy on the Louis Vuitton one have. Who now work and can't buy on yourself a Louis Vuitton. You can't buy on yourself a Louis Vuitton because the one who have on pound of foot and it only tell you no girl son want it for no birthday. Only tell you no girl son want a Louis because you not try to prove to people son rich. You know, all a blood clot Air Force are low down Jordan. Because you don't want people to say so you have on Louis. You better find out the China man don't know the place. Because remember everything favor original now, you know. Find out if you no foot small, you no good. Go around to China and get 10 different color Louis. Because Jamaica we live, so you have to do the right thing. I remember enough of the rich people them wear the fake something. Them you know, say, hey, can I wear fake watch and fake something. I want to know. Me and my friend a reason. When me and my friend a reason, me and her talk, and she say, if you should have to go into a store, Louis Vuitton or Gucci or any one of them store, or Christian Dior, or any one of them, and have to ask the price, you shouldn't be in there. That's why we have to know, say, we have to stay in our financial lane. Because we act like, say, we're rich. We're not blood clot rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, of course, but I'm not rich in money. You design a body. I'm not rich in money. I'm rich in spirit. I'm rich in life. I will not try to prove nothing for nobody because when you used to say, me hungry. Look how me fat and when I say me hungry. When I say me a spice dancer, then look how me dance for spice and me reach all about in a roller dance for spice. Uno no dede and me dede. Me reach pan BT. But I'm telling the blood clot something. You see from me reach pan BT, me raise my price. From reach pan BT, my price raise. So I no Cartel make me raise my price. A spice. A spice make me raise my price. Cause me look pan BT 106 and Park. When me see Jay-Z them, and me see the whole of the big star them, Biggie Small, P. Diddy and the whole of them. And when me look, me see Richie feelings. What the blood clot you say? My price have to raise. You can call me. Remember my number public on the internet, you know. Anybody want my number can get it, you know. But where you going to message me for? Where you going to message me and say, let me tell you it go. I don't have no charity. I give people according to my spirit. I will not have to come publicize how much people will get things or who will do things for. But Cartel, you come out of prison. I'm telling you something where me and one of my next brethren did that talk about. Cartel send himself to prison. And Cartel take out himself out of prison. Me and you and none of you never blood Cartel when him there prison. So who is me and you for blood Cartel? How much him for charge? Who him for deal with? Who him for not talk to? Who him for help? Who is me and you? When Cartel is there prison, everybody has a free Cartel. You weren't in the free Cartel. And then no found way that's a free Cartel. And they just say it because somebody said free Cartel. Again, it's another truth we only not like. But at the blood clot truth. We don't want to hear the truth, but the truth will always be the blood clot truth. It will always be the truth. Him no owe me nothing. Him no owe me a thing a pussy clot. So when you depend on the internet and the whole on it, they not talk about Cartel if you do this and Cartel if you do that. Cartel owe himself everything. He knows who he wants to get close to him. He knows who he wants to be friends with. He knows who he wants in his circle. So we could a deal. We set things for draw out Cartel. And Cartel are watch on the same way. So what Cartel I do? Jero no. Every time we talk and him see him name on the internet, him just go buy something. Every time we talk, him just go buy something. When we run on and I talk about Cartel no like Shanstorm. Cartel hate Shanstorm and Cartel if you do this for Shanstorm. Oh, you no love Shanstorm, so me never blood clot here, you need to say free Shanstorm. No. But all of a sudden, you no love him just because you no like Cartel. So you try divide and conquer. And it no work for no blood clot. Because if you think you can mash up Shanstorm and Cartel, because Shanstorm now come out here and tell you what Cartel do for him. Shanstorm know what Cartel do for him. All of you have a list of people who know say Cartel for help. You know help anybody? I wish I could do like what Cartel do. Cartel just say this is what $500,000 look like. And just goes upon him hand. And just come out so again and drink some street vibes rum. Because if it never did a sell, him wouldn't blood clot or drink it. And it a sell because it tastes good. And I go say, I just chew me their own Cartel. Me their own spice. Automatically. Me I go see Cartel almost every week. Because remember, Spice book for the show them. So this is not me defending Cartel. This is me bigging up Cartel and what he did for the culture. Because remember, he make a generation, a whole genre of music have a step back. And dancehall come take back its space. And that way if you celebrate a Cartel do. Artists will come out. A one man here come out and say it. And a Vegas, him controversial and him say what him want to say. But we have to talk. Vegas come out and said it. Him money raised because of Cartel. Him money raised. And every artist, every bumbo rascal, single last one of them. Every last one of them. Because the whole on the blood clot jump up. And I talk about, you don't need no other body. Only you can. And none of them, I see no found to take on the money and spend $1,000 on blood clot Beyonce, you know. And Beyonce are way in one part up at one place on the day, you know. And not even close to the front of the stage on the day, you know. We up in one part on the pay on the $1,000 go see Beyonce, you know. And I say Cartel ticket to there, you know. So you know, see someone a blood clot want suck Beyonce pussy. And Beyonce now want so, you know. That's why the girl say we have a bag of suck your mother for go, you know. Big up the girl from down Arima we say that. Because Beyonce come to Jamaica. Remember me there jungle when time Beyonce come down there. And me never blood clot look past she and Jay-Z. But when Cartel come out, me have to go look for him. Because a cartel, me know just like how me go to and see some of the artists. Remember, say, me dey on the road with Spice and me see the whole of them, you know. Me tell you this all the while, you know. Me dey on the road with Spice and me not take out my phone and video them because we not frightened. I'm telling me they run a bojo and Kanye West blood clot come around that way and Kanye West there. And big blood clot snap a fish up on table. Man say, hey man, bojo man, I want this to go with Kim Kardashian and them. We see them and we never take out the phone and video them. Cause I know we them come to. And we never wait around we run go take no picture with them. We they run all of the elites, them most of the people them not found it and never see them in a life. Me see them every week. And me see how them go on and group over Spice. So if me see them a group over my friend with me, can say, Spice, move your dirty blood clot, come near me. And me see them, I say, oh my God, Spice, can I take a picture? So all me for frightened for them. And them are dead over my blood clot friend. When me can take up my phone, so, and call. All me for a blood clot frightened for them. When me there in a Ratatam splash, and I look for how much thousands of people me see Spice, when them say she a self-proclaimed queen and she a this and she a that. Before you celebrate it and say, boy, it's a big move and love it. She want to phone an artist or on a phone a favorite. First thing, you do, she want to like Spice. You try downplay it. You try downplay it, you know. And make it look like, say, Spice nah do nothing. Cause I'm a favorite. I could have cared less. Spice is my friend. And I'm there and I'm seeing what Spice is doing. And I see how people react to Spice. I see people touch Spice and drop down. Right? I see people line up Spice and name. I see them want name Spice. Security affair rush with Spice. See? That's why I say, are your own not like enough time. Always your own. And let me tell you this. You want to know who like you? Enough of them artists here, when time and them in the lead, them start to people fight them. And right there, so, I have to come talk. Every selector in a Jamaica, from Jamaica to New York to anywhere, the whole of the selector them, put value upon yourself here. Put value on yourself. Put some more value upon yourself. 99% of the artists don't have no respect for no DJs. They don't have no respect for no selectors. Because they no longer need us. Because they have the internet now. Them have TikTok. Them have all kind of places where them not even want to talk to no. So when you see them, no rush to take no picture with them nor nothing. Start put value upon yourself. When you can play them song. But always remember who is. Some on carry news to the artist for burn out next selector. And then the same man want to carry news to a burn out and a this on the same way. Because from you carry news about a next selector. He might look pound like on a pussy. Put value upon yourself. Put value upon yourself. Not found no value. Start charge money we can pay on the bills them. Start charge money we can pay on the bills them. Because remember, you not charge this little bit of money. Because you have a girlfriend, I buy a laptop go, or I have a mother, somebody where I buy a headphone, or when I fly upon somebody benefits. Somehow I fly upon somebody benefits and I make it look like say a people are buying a ticket. When I do the whole of the thing them wrong, or the bomb buckler to no fear go up and play and I buy on one ticket and fly upon body pass, go play upon people dance. And I tell people say, we buy on one ticket and them something just because you don't want proof to a next selector say we not fly. Remember, it's a music business. All DJs worldwide. I mean, no one go see this, I want to have to hear this. All the DJs worldwide It's a music business. The promoter is not your friend. The promoter owes you no loyalty. He might put you in a group chat with him, rest a promoter friend them and I ask, wanna think about Richie feelings? Wanna think about me? Me no want act. And money me want. Pay me for my talent. Pay me for my talent. The promoter now keep. Remember, a whole heap of promoter call me on my phone and they might tell me how much you not charge. Some want to get 6 bills, some want to get 7 bills. So you not try say, you not keep party where you not say you not have cabana for this and money and that the money. So you not say Richie feelings not worth 2 cabana. You not try tell me say, eh? Richie feelings don't worth 2 cabana. You know why you can't say that? Because the next DJ tell us to just do nothing. Because he want to put up saying depend this and put up how much date him have. But how much of these dates have you really gotten a deposit for? Me see some whole heap of DJ put up how much show them have. Some DJ put up 10 and 15 show like them put up for the month of July and the month of August and the month of everywhere. But how much of these show have you gotten your 50% deposit for? Where is your deposit? You are going to go to somebody party and depend on money pull up. Because you can't have a lot of dates as the strong one say, but which one of these dates makes sense? Which one of these dates makes sense? Because the man them know say them can just put it up and flyer without even consult to know. I want to see it as nothing. Because when I say, yeah man, a big dance, enough promoter, why do you think me have to big up Noah? Me big up Noah anyway, back I'm side, I'm front, I have to big up Noah because Noah want him deposit. Noah stand fee money, everybody know how much Noah charge and no found have problem with Noah because you don't know how much him charge. And when you not talk to the promoter say, when he's not Noah. And when you not send, remember when I buy no a ticket, I go to Jamaica because the promoter not buy the ticket, but them have to buy Noah ticket. Me not take my own money and pay go to New York for the boy come tell me say, yeah man, you have to book me, buy me ticket, give me my deposit, and you have to put me in a 4-star hotel if not 5. You have to put me in a 4-star hotel because my bed and my yard comfortable. So I'm not frightened of a hotel. On have to go start the better. On have to go start the better. Because I want to cell phone and mash up, I want to help mash up the whole culture. I want to help mash up the whole culture. Gone were the days where people used to look on certain selector and say, yo, that selector this and that and that. Now people are look man we like say the whole way the same thing. On the ramp with Sanja's son. Because everybody knows I will disrespect you. Everybody knows Richie feelings will disrespect you. I don't care how much a next man charge. I know how much me charge. You want a act DJ or you want a good DJ? I am a very good DJ. I'm not a act DJ. I run the place already. I not live off of what me do already. I'm talking about what we are doing now. My name has been on every flyer already and my pictures. There is new selector come out now. There is new promoters come out now. We all know how it goes. Some of them are 3, 4, 5 of them keep the party. Me not cost none of them. If they want to book me, they will book me. Thank God say, my light still on over my yard and me asleep in a AC same way. Still can't able to buy food and eat same way. Me still can't able to wear nice things same way. God love me. So I just tell you, put value upon the name. When you have no value. When you have no value. And you have to know this when time certain promoter call your phone. Promoters like when you call them and say, so you put the money upon the party. Oh, me see you book the Monday and look how long you know me, you know book me, you send for them Monday and them Monday no good. Yo, you do this and that and that. The promoter is talking. The promoter now keep no secret for you. You now look like pussy more and more. And the next thing what me need to tell you know, any woman where you push your body in her, make sure she have some value and substance too. You have to change. Some of them look a regular girl, you have to stop it. Because remember, if a girl can buy a laptop, she have to have some form of value. From a girl can take up 3-4 grand and buy a laptop, she have value. She have value. But sometimes she have value to own no value she. The car will not drive on a girl car. She make not drive Benz for a hype. You know. She go in a Louis Vuitton and buy a shoes for you. She buy the nice road shirt. They want to make it look like a una spend on the money on it. I know una spend on the money, no not trick way. Somehow is just a front to not put on. Because when you play upon the biggest dance, the man still can't pay on the bills them when time it done. Thank God for the girl. Spice.
Richie.
What me do now? No, me not sleep. Spice. Spice. What me do in my life? What happened? Where fuck you want, Spice. I wake you up to wake up and call me. Where one? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. They would not done plan out that already. So what we going to do? They when we look for you like figure, it don't matter. Right, show. Remember one queen, you know. Yeah, man. Yes. They will not know. Yes, we know. Yeah. Yeah. Have a nice night.
Put in the comment section if you agree with him. I know a lot of one was going to say, you know, King, that's Spice bestie. Yeah, I mean, he's supposed to say that. But I think he made valid points, though, that can't be taken from it. Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.